In this week's property tour, we're back at Brickell at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath for around $3,000. This option brings with it the location, the building amenities, the space, and even a view for a reasonable price point. So let's get started. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Steven Vargas. I am a real estate agent and investor here in the Miami area, and my channel is all about bringing you more real estate content. So if you would like to see more Miami property tour videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe as I post a new video each week. Today, we're back at Brickell, which is known for its luxury condos. We will be passing through Mary Brickell Village and Brickell City Center, two of the biggest reasons as to why people choose to live here, but more on that later. First, we're making a quick stop to pick up the key. All right, so the first area we'll be passing through are the shops of Mary Brickell Village. Mary Brickell Village, as it's more commonly referred to, was Brickell's original hub for all things entertainment, food, and shopping related. This area has evolved over the years with the introduction of new high-rises, but it continues to be a staple for locals looking for a good brunch spot, fine dining, shopping, nightlife, and much more. Some of the places you can expect to find in Mary Brickell Village include Blue Martini, LA Fitness, Massage Envy, Moxie's, North Italia, Raw Juice, Shake Shack, Soul Cycle, and Publix, just to name a few. Residents love the walkability that areas like Mary Brickell Village introduces, as you can conveniently walk to some of your favorite hangout spots, as it encompasses the true nature of downtown living. I always say that Brickell is the closest thing to New York that Miami has to offer. Our next stop is Brickell City Center. BCC is Brickell's newest and only mall, but it's honestly so much more than that. The architecture alone is stunning. It's a marvel just to walk through it. The open air concept is perfect for a weekend stroll, and the shops, bars, restaurants sometimes seem endless. Not to mention that because of BCC, we finally have a movie theater in Brickell. You can expect high-end shopping and dining with places such as Casa Tua Cocina, Apple, Saks Fifth Avenue, Suit Supply, Intermix, and much more. BCC cost over $1 billion to make and includes residential and office space along with its retail. As we enter today's property, you will notice the elegant and sophisticated lobby. The design of this building is captivating, and it's one of my most requested buildings I get from my clients. I'm super excited to show you this property, so let's get started. Welcome to 500 Brickell. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath at 1,197 square feet at just $3,000 a month. And as the name suggests, it's in Brickell, just a stone's throw away from Brickell City Center and Mary Brickell Village. It's also right across the river from downtown, so you have everything you possibly think of right in your own neighborhood. Great views of the bay, a lot of space, and at a great price. I think this is a good option for you guys considering this price point. So without further ado, let's get to the property tour. I appreciate you watching today's property tour. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with more property tour content and other Miami residential real estate stuff that I want to share with you. And as always, guys, I'll see you all next week.